Stuck with the OLE Pro32.dll failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before we begin the manual steps for OLE Pro32, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the OLE Pro32, the Microsoft OLE Property Support library. It manages unmanaged routines for property sheets and automation interfaces, facilitating the foundational data link for component-based software manifests. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Because OLE Pro32 DLL is a core Windows resource, we should utilize the built-in recovery tools. Run sfc/scan now from an administrator-level command prompt to scan for system-level errors and refresh your protected file library. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with OLE Pro32. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If the restart didn't help the program find the file, we need to manually register the DLL pointer in the registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a pointer in the registry. If the program can't find that pointer, it doesn't matter if the file exists, it won't load. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for OLE Pro32. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with OLE Pro32. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and OLE Pro32 error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.